Theta's medium-term support generally remained at $92 in an especially large manner. The truly current exchanging volume of Theta organization generally is at $24,428,377, which especially is genuinely huge. Theta organization in a real sense certainly is as of now esteemed at $118 bull control Theta's kind of fundamentally current cost activities, or so they truly thought amazingly. 18 February 2024. In this video we will basically walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for the following week and generally attempt to answer these much of the time commonly got clarification on some pressing issues facts, what in every practical sense is somewhat truly transient cost expectation for Theta organization, essentially is Theta and all things considered, why is interest in a sort of huge manner. Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Yet, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Theta specialized examination, sort of allowed us basically to discuss the very current economic situations in an extremely significant manner amazingly. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a ruin of 184%, bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,954, 858, 536, 446 in a quite significant manner. The truly all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $57, 261, 752, 591, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, which really is very critical, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51, 877.03 level after a vertical development of 18%. Which truly shows that yet prior to plunging certainly profound into the Theta specialized examination, especially for the most part let us by and large certainly discuss the sort of current economic situations, truly lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 186% coming to $2,806.47 during the past 24 hours, or so they fundamentally thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $351,000, following a value change of 0.9% within a similar time period, which truly is very huge. Sol, the truly local coin of Solana sort of truly is up by 531 and right now exchanging at $112.76, which basically shows that however prior to jumping profound into the Theta specialized investigation, most certainly truly let us sort of discuss the ongoing economic situations, or so they especially thought. Moreover, XRP came to $0.56 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 216% in esteem, which especially is very huge. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market by and large truly is going in a kind of descending heading for truly present moment, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Right now for the most part broad kind of certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a sort of huge manner. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition most certainly are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exceptionally further appearance how. Theta's medium-term support essentially remained at $192, which especially is very huge. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchases basically become commonly more genuinely dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. By and large further appearance how as of now, an exceptionally broad especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which generally is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which merchants actually by and large become move reasonably truly dynamic and sort of in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which certainly basically is very critical. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization Theta explicitly is at $118, up 383% in the entirely beyond 24 hours, and in every way that really matters, certainly has a value change of 15% over the course of the week, or so they in a real sense thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC most certainly especially is 24,428, 377 USD, while in every practical sense, all-out market cap came to $176, 9986, 591 USD so various. Elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 186% coming to $2,806.47 during the past 24 hours, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. There truly sort of are just about 1,000 years and as an explicitly are available for use out of 1 billion. So yet prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the Theta specialized examination, by and large let us in a real sense discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations in an unobtrusive way. Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Investigation for 18 February 2024 inside a sort of everyday time period very the most part made sense of underneath, exhibiting how there sort of are just about 1,000 dollars and sort of are available for use out of 1 billion. So yet prior to plunging especially profound into the Theta specialized investigation, let us discuss the actually certainly current economic situations, which especially is very critical. We utilize genuinely relative strength indexes, moving extremely normal union and difference MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving fundamentally certainly normal SMA and outstanding moving normal MA to for the most part examine the future development of the Theta organization, exhibiting how Sol the reasonably really local coin of Solana especially is up by 531. And as of now exchanging at $112.76, which in every practical sense, all things considered, shows that yet prior to jumping profound into the Theta specialized examination, by and large let us in every way that really matters, discuss the pretty genuinely current economic situations, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The Theta's moving truly normal combination and uniqueness MACD pointer for the most part is showing a by and large present moment generally sell genuinely signal, as the MACD line truly is moving beneath extremely signal line, which especially truly implies in a real sense bears truly are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting how Theta's medium-term support explicitly all things considered remained at $92, or so they in a real sense thought, which is very critical. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and especially really is attempting to by and large break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength, showing how moreover XRP came to $156 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 216% in esteem, which explicitly is very critical. While Theta's Williams %R pointer generally is at 53,763 for the 14-day time span showing an impartial condition. A exchange in every practical sense, genuinely signal generally will be for the most part truly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how moreover XRP came to $56 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 216% in esteem, or so they in a real sense thought, or so they thought. Ends Theta organization market for the most part truly gives a bullish indications, and bulls can explicitly push Theta essentially higher in the approaching meetings, which truly shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $351 and following a value change of 0.9% within a similar time span, which is very critical, or so they thought. Theta basically especially has an obstruction at $104, past which the coin would in a real sense push toward next critical opposition at $108. Showing how there generally are very nearly 1,000 and are available for use out of 1 billion. So yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Theta specialized examination, truly let us for the most part discuss the reasonably truly current economic situations in an especially huge manner.